Hi there, this is Brady Pugh with Five Sons Landscape and Design down in Winterset, Iowa. And I just wanted to say welcome to our YouTube channel. We've posted some videos in the past, but we're going to start turning up our content a little bit. We're going to be covering all kinds of things from basic yard maintenance to landscaping installation to retaining walls, patios, and more. It's an ask your questions, and we can ask your questions about answer your questions about your property, and really try and help people to have the yard space of their dreams. Right now we're in the first part of spring. Everything's starting to peak up. We're starting to get some new plant growth. Subscribe to the channel, like this video so that you don't miss any content from us as we move forward this season. We're looking forward to helping you out with your projects.